What are tags in HTML and why do we need them? To understand this, let's go back to the early days of internet. In the beginning, computers could only understand plain text. Imagine I write, "Welcome to the CodeVerse. Let's learn HTML today." Click here to start. As a human, we can instantly understand that "Welcome to the CodeVerse" looks like a title. "Let's learn HTML today" feels like a description. And "click here to start" should probably a button or a link. But the browser doesn't think like a human. To the browser, these are just 3 lines of a text. It has no idea which one is heading, which one is paragraph, and which one should be the clickable link. So the developers come up with a very simple idea. What if we could label each piece of a content? These labels are called as a HTML tags. The H1 tags tells the browser this is a main heading. P tag says that this is a paragraph. And A tags tells that this is a clickable link. Now the browser knows exactly how each piece of content should be displayed. So HTML tags weren't invented to make coding complicated. They were invented because browser can't understand the meaning of a plain text on their own. Tags give your content meaning and structure. This allows browser to display web pages correctly. Without HTML tags, every website would simply look like a giant block of text. That's it for today's video. Follow my channel for more such videos.